Welcome to this beginner's guide on React.js. In this video, we will explore what React.js is and why it has become so popular in front-end development. Let's dive in. React is a JavaScript library for building interactive user interfaces, especially for web applications. It allows developers to create reusable user interface components. React uses a component-based architecture, which means that rather than building an entire web page at once, you build it piece by piece using components. It also uses a declarative programming style, where you describe what the user interface should look like for any given state, and React takes care of updating the user interface when the state changes. React also uses a virtual DOM technology, which is a lightweight representation of the actual DOM that helps improve performance by minimizing direct manipulations of the DOM. React was created by Facebook, now known as Meta. React applications are built using reusable components, like Lego blocks that can be combined to create complex user interfaces. This component-based architecture allows you to reuse code pieces, which makes it easy to maintain and provides better organization. Here is an example of a simple button component written in React. It's a simple function that returns a button element with the text, "Click me." The virtual DOM is React's secret to fast performance. The virtual DOM is a JavaScript representation of the actual DOM that React keeps in memory for optimal performance. With the help of virtual DOM, you can achieve faster updates, better user experience, and efficient rendering. When state changes occur, React updates the virtual DOM, then a diff algorithm compares the virtual DOM with the actual DOM, and finally only the necessary changes are made to the real DOM, resulting in improved performance. JSX is a syntax extension to JavaScript, which allows you to write HTML-like syntax directly in JavaScript, making React components more readable and intuitive. It's like having HTML in JavaScript. JSX allows you to use dynamic content with curly braces and enables easy component composition. Here's an example of JSX. We define a function called welcome, declare a variable called name, and assign it the string value React, and then return an h1 element that displays hello, React. React offers several key advantages for developers, making it a popular choice for building modern web applications. React provides fast performance, thanks to its virtual DOM, which ensures optimal rendering and a smooth user experience. React has a massive developer support system, tutorials, and third-party libraries. React offers a flexible architecture and can be integrated into existing projects or used for new applications. React also has extensive tools, libraries, and frameworks built around it. React is trusted by industry leaders and is used in many popular applications. Companies like Facebook, Netflix, Airbnb, and Instagram all use React in their projects. React is production-ready and battle-tested. React is downloaded over 40 million times a week and has over 200,000 stars on GitHub. To get started with React, follow these quick setup steps. First, install Node.js on your computer. Then, create a new React app using Create React App. Finally, start coding your components. Here are the terminal commands you need to create a React app. First, run npx create react app myapp to create a new React app. Then, navigate to the project directory by running cd myapp. Finally, start the development server by running npm start. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.